Bora Bora, a name synonymous with turquoise waters, luxurious resorts, and a price tag to match. But what if you could immerse yourself in this tropical paradise without emptying your wallet? Let's dive into the tips and tricks for discovering Bora Bora on a budget. Avoid the tourist rush and the high prices by visiting Bora Bora in the off-season. April to May or September to October can offer you up to 50% savings on accommodations. Imagine lounging in an overwater bungalow for half the price, with the added bonus of fewer crowds and pleasant weather. Keep an eye out for seasonal promotions and last-minute deals. Airlines and hotels often offer discounts for early bookings or last-minute vacancies. Sign up for newsletters and alerts to snag these offers, or consider package deals that bundle travel, lodging, and activities for additional savings. Dreaming of an overwater bungalow? They're iconic but pricey. Instead, opt for a beachfront villa or a self-catering apartment. These alternatives offer comfort, stunning views, and amenities at a fraction of the cost, with some even featuring private pools and kitchens. Bora Bora's beauty can be enjoyed without a hefty price tag. Snorkel in coral gardens, hike scenic trails, or visit the local village for a cultural experience. Renting a scooter or bicycle is an affordable way to discover the island's hidden treasures on your own terms. Dine like a local to save on meals. Self-catering accommodations allow you to whip up your own dishes, or you can savor traditional Polynesian cuisine at local eateries. Don't miss the chance to shop at the local market for fresh produce and seafood, adding authentic flavor to your budget-friendly Bora Bora adventure. In conclusion, with strategic planning and these savvy tips, the allure of Bora Bora is within reach, even for the budget-conscious traveler. Book with a French Polynesia at Far and Away Adventure.